Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to be making beans. So we're going to have some onion, garlic, and carrots. Sifting out the rocks from our beans. I don't have any to show you because mine were pretty clean, but take those out because they can crack your teeth. I'll just take out the ugly ones here. I'm going to wash the beans thoroughly because they do have some dirt. Placing them in a giant pot or a larger pot, I'm gonna put them to soak overnight in water on my countertop. When you help them expand, it gives them a nice flavor. I don't know, I think it's creamier. My beans have soaked overnight, and I did leave them on my countertop. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the garlic, onion, and just cut this guy in like fourths. And we're going to finely cut the carrots because I think that gives it the most flavor. You can see how my beans have expanded here. We're going to strain these beans again in the water and just give them a nice wash. Coating the pot with olive oil, we're going to add the onion and garlic. Stir until brown. You're going to fill this up with water. I'm going to do it halfway, but when you put in your beans, if they're not swimming in the water, add more. Add in the 1 carrot we chopped up fine. The beans. Make sure that the beans are submerged in the water and cover. I'm going to keep this on max high until it starts to boil. When I see that it's boiling, I'm going to lower it down to a medium low flame. Cook for 1.5 hours to 2 hours, adding more water as you see the need. You know that your beans are ready when you give them a nice smush, and they're easily smushed. They're not grimy, they're just nice and creamy. I'm going to take a nice bowl of fresh beans and add some queso fresco, and it's ready to serve. With the leftover beans, we're going to bag them to freeze them for later usage. Fill them up to 3/4 of the bag. Make sure that they have enough juice and that you thoroughly dry them so that they don't stick after they freeze. I'm going to use this old ice tin. You can use anything you have just to keep them together. And toss them in the freezer. They're going to come out like this. You can either put them on the counter to thaw out or just put them to fry from there. And that's what's in the fridge today.
What's in the fridge?